A clinical trial can't begin without a budget, but building that budget is rarely simple. What should each procedure cost? How do costs vary by country or site? Too often, teams answer those questions with spreadsheets and data that may be years out of date. That creates uncertainty from the start. That's the challenge Suvoda is solving with budgeting and benchmarking. It helps you create clinical trial budgets with confidence, because your numbers reflect what sites are actually being paid right now around the world. This isn't a better spreadsheet. It's a smarter, built-for-purpose budgeting tool, making it easier to create and negotiate budgets and get studies started faster. At its core is a current, comprehensive source of fair market value data, updated quarterly, covering more than 70 countries and based on actual negotiated site costs. Pair that with an intuitive budgeting portal where you can model costs by country, build accurate cost per patient estimates, and walk into budget discussions prepared. One source of truth, and a budget everyone can stand behind. For sponsors, budgeting and benchmarking replaces the research phase of budget planning and reduces the back and forth with sites. Instead of manually pulling numbers from outdated sources, they start with current benchmarks, so you can spend more time on strategy, not gathering data. For CROs, it means every study bid starts from a consistent, trusted foundation, fast to build and easy to communicate. And when the time comes to sit down with a site, everyone is working from credible data and a single shared template. Negotiations move faster, relationships grow stronger. Budgeting and benchmarking is a part of the Greenphire Clinical Finance suite. When paired with site payments, you can connect budgets and payments within a single portal and log in for one unified financial experience. Sitting on the Suvoda platform, data connects to the broader study, bringing financial clarity to every decision a sponsor makes. Plan with better data. Move forward with greater confidence. And trial wisely.